Today started out, it was one of those deceiving days where it looked nice in the morning and then you walked outside and you're like, it's a little colder than yesterday. Still above average,
right? That's
but
true.
definitely a little colder than yesterday.
Yeah.
And we're just kind of slowly transitioning back to February
Going back,
weather.
huh?
Yeah, we're kind of reversing here. Put it in rewind. We jumped ahead to spring a little bit too quickly, and now Mother Nature says, not so fast. Right back to February by the weekend. Let's take a look outside right now. I'm going to take you up to Bethlehem, where it's looking pretty wet out there. The roads are glistening. We've been watching this through the afternoon as the rain has moved on in, making for a bit of a slow commute out there. We're not talking about heavy flooding rain with this system. It's mostly just light nuisance rain. And I'll tell you, to have a rain system in February to contend with, especially in early February to contend with, versus a snow or ice threat, that is actually a little bit of a blessing as far as travel is concerned. Certainly could be worse if the temperatures were colder, but it's been relatively mild, as we know, all week. And even today, temps were below average, or below where they have been this week, I should say. We were in the 60s the past 2 days. Today we barely got to the low 50s, but normal's only 42, and we're right about that number now. It's 43 in the city, 43 in Allentown. It's 42 in Wilmington, Millville, and Wildwood, and Dover sitting at 40 degrees. This is a big departure from where we were at this time yesterday. Look at these numbers. It's 19 degrees colder right now in the city than it was at this time yesterday. 18 degrees colder in Trenton and 12 degrees colder than yesterday in Allentown. But we're kind of stepping down slowly. The real cold hits this weekend. Storm Scan 3 showing again the rain that's overspread the area. There's green as far as the eye can see now, with some pockets of heavier rain right along the border of Berks and Montgomery counties, western Chester County, and down into Newcastle and Salem counties. Again, it's not flooding rain, but it's a little steadier. It's going to slow you down out there on the roads, and it will continue through the at least first part of the overnight hours with areas of fog. The heaviest rain should push out after about 1 a.m., but the fog will continue into your morning commute. So take it slow out there when you leave the house. 51 degrees tomorrow. Future weather again shows the rain clearing out overnight. Tomorrow is relatively dry. It's a quiet day. Clouds, some fog, maybe a few breaks of blue sky, and then the actual front comes through Friday midday, and it will turn much cooler behind that as we get into the weekend. Back to winter. Colder air coming in, and our next system early next week will have cold air in place to work with. So we go from sunshine over the weekend to the chance for at least some light snow showers to overspread the area Sunday night into Monday. That will likely change over to rain by Tuesday, but possibly even some light accumulations with this system to watch through the day Monday especially, and into Tuesday morning. So what a big departure. We go from near 70 to the 50s to end the week, 30s with sunshine over the weekend, and then back to the 40s with the chance for snow next week.
All over the place.
All over the map.
Ooh, thank you, Kate. Appreciate it.